Kitchen 101. Have you avoided using your Instant Pot because it freaks you out a little? I promise there is nothing to be scared of. Here's how to use it. First, the lid. It has a rubber gasket on the inside to form a tight seal. There is also a valve on the top that can switch from sealing to venting. Next, the control panel. The Saute function allows you to build flavor through browning ingredients or reducing a sauce. The Bolognese sauce recipe takes full advantage of this feature. To saute, you simply press the Saute button. The default is normal heat, which is about medium or medium-high, but you can use the adjust button to switch it to more heat, less heat, or back to normal. To pressure cook, line up the lid and the pot. Twist to seal. Make sure the valve is on sealing. Press the manual button. The display shows the cook time. Adjust the time up or down with the arrows according to your recipe. It takes several minutes or longer to build pressure. The machine will automatically start timing once it reaches temperature. When it's done, it will switch to keep warm mode. To release the pressure, carefully switch the valve on the lid to venting. Allow pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. You'll not be able to open the lid until the pressure is fully released. See you next time!